The Schluter Kerdi Shower Kit offers everything needed to create a waterproof, vapor-tight shower assembly. The kit contains all the components necessary to prepare your shower for tile in one convenient package. Let's take a look at what's inside. A roll of Kerdi waterproofing membrane is included, which is used to protect walls from moisture penetration. You will also find Kerdi band waterproofing strips to seal all seams and connections. Kerdi-Carrick pre-formed inside and outside corners are supplied to easily seal vulnerable areas of your shower. A Kerdi-Seal PS pipe seal and a Kerdi-Seal MV mixing valve seal are included. These are used to seal pipe protrusions and protect moisture-sensitive solid backing panels. All kits contain a Kerdi Shower T, TS, or TT sloped shower tray with integrated Kerdi waterproofing. The trays are available in a variety of sizes and configurations. You also get a Kerdi-Board SC shower curb, which is waterproof, lightweight, and ready to tile. And finally, a Kerdi Drain floor drain with an integrated bonding flange that connects to the Kerdi waterproofing membrane on the tray. Kerdi Drain accepts the included fully adjustable square grate assembly. Kerdi shower kits are available in a variety of shapes and configurations. Some kits do not include the drain or grate to allow for more flexibility in flange and